Hi guys, welcome back to Dinner Party. I am Khushi.
I'm Isha.
I'm Ashna.
And I'm Shloka. Woo!
Let's go.
So today we are Khushi.
Today we thought it would be fun because we have this discussion a lot amongst ourselves. We thought it'd be fun to do it on the podcast and discuss icks or pet peeves that we have.
Yeah.
It can be in general, it can be maybe in a relationship if you're thinking like from a dating perspective
Dating
with a guy.
perspective.
But we have both. Our icks specifically for dating.
So Google says that
She's
sorry.
always ready. with
Always
her
ready with
Google
the definition.
Google says the ick is a dating term that describes a sudden feeling of disgust or revulsion towards a romantic partner or someone
Oh.
you are attracted to. It can be a sudden and intense reaction that seems to come out of nowhere, and you might not be able to explain why you feel that way. Some examples are love bombing, breadcrumbing. All of these are
These are
icks.
These
They
are very
should be-
serious issues,
Yeah.
na?
Very red flags.
breakers.
Yeah.
Yeah.
These are not examples.
Don't read.
Examples are very like generic, surface level, like can seem like a small thing to someone, and it's not necessarily a deal breaker. And like
Yeah.
maybe your partner also has it. It's just like a type of a
small
thing, but it's
specific
not
thing,
like
yeah.
something will
But
you'll
ours
stop
are not
breathing or something.
dating
only
related. Yeah.
We are doing
Yeah.
General.
also.
Yeah.
The phrase getting the ick was popularized by Olivia Atwood, a contestant from 2017 season of Love Island.
Oh. See, that's why you should watch your trash TV.
There's a lot of
That's
people on the
important.
show that will give the ick, so I get it.
Yeah.
And I feel like from not just icks, because icks are, I think, very dating specific, but there can be other things also that give you the ick in normal people and things like observations that you've made in life, but it can go into pet peeves and
I
just
think it's very
things that
close.
annoy you in general.
Yeah. I've written pet peeve.
I think the
I think it's the same.
term has thoda shadowed.
Just a thin line. We can involve we can cross it. Yeah. ठीक है. चलो, who's starting?
Pet peeve is something that a particular person finds
definitely.
especially annoying. तो same ही हुआ,
Same
मतलब
ही
very
definition है
close.
बस.
But yeah, icks के लिए you have to make very like intense observations. But as is thoda broader term and it's not itna intense. But let's go. Who wants to start first?
We have our icks written on our phones.
So we'll be using them.
And there's a popular saying, one woman's ick is another woman's husband.
What? Very well
True.
said. Yes.
Excited. Let's start.
Who's
Let's start.
starting?
I think Honey should.
Why?
Okay.
Okay, sorry, we'll be referencing our phones beach beach mein because we've made our list on our phone. Top, एक pet peeve, horrible, whatever things is body odor for me. And it's not just like, I know everybody says this is like a turn off or a deal breaker for them. But for me, it's for my health.
For you to
It's not just a
Yeah.
this thing because I am very sensitive to smell. Like all types of smells. Like anything in the room, I can tell if it's off, if it's spoiled, if it's rotten, whatever. And any intense type of smells can give me a headache and like a very bad headache for the whole day. So if I'm dating someone and if they have body odor, if they smell bad, I will just have a headache like dating them. So I can't date the person. So that's my number one.
one. Yeah, like
Yes,
Honey's nose is like really strong.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like if she can just unlock and smell people also dhire dhire. I think. She can just unlock that
Not a
superpower.
or something. But yeah, strong
It's very-
perfumes. If you're putting like Axe
I
type
was going to say
perfumes
that.
and this and that is you're
Yeah.
giving me new icks.
Ick.
I don't have this written down.
That
Yeah.
I can have for a girl also. Like if you give me a headache,
Yeah.
a perfume can give me a headache, then I'm not being friends.
I think
One person whose perfume gives all of us.
our mother has very strong perfumes that give us all a headache.
Headache.
And she has to leave the room if she's wearing that
Nice.
perfume.
but mine is not like only perfume.
Yours is
specific.
body odor.
Body odor. Yeah, strong perfumes, yes, but body odor. There is this. I don't want to sound disgusting, but when somebody sweats, there is a smells particular this thing. I just can't stand it. And if it's in the car, it's a close this thing. Instant headache. Instantly want to jump
Yes.
out. So
Like this happens in locals when everybody is together,
Yeah.
or in bus also you're traveling college
Everyone's
time
together.
पे we didn't have an option. हम लोग ट्रेन से ट्रैवल करते थे, फास्टेस्ट रूट भी था वो, and उसमें crowded trains you enter and people are standing like this and then the
Yeah.
odor and everything. तब वहां से तो एक हम लोग को भी आ गया था.
Like it makes me, it's not just like it's bad disgust. It makes me sick, वैसा. So I can't take it.
Okay, next, my ick is someone who is rude to staff or like anyone in the service industry. Like if you're anyone, rickshaw wala bhaiya se leke the person who's serving you at lunch or anyone, if a person is rude to, instant ick.
Very
Yeah,
true. Very
same.
true.
Like that just tells you something about a person, I feel, if they're rude for no reason. And they'll just be like, but it's their job. But you can tell it nicely, na?
Yeah.
That is
Your job to be kind.
yeah.
I have to admit, sometimes I am rude to rickshaw wala.
रिक्शा वाला तो I was
Just when they give me
But only
but they are for no reason. You have a reason
yeah.
for you
if
to
they
say.
give me attitude unnecessarily,
Or if they're staring
if
at you
they're
and stuff.
staring constantly,
then valid.
like I get thoda
Yeah, one time one
Defensive.
rickshaw wala like dropped me off in the middle of the road because I told him jaldi chalao na, late हो रहा है. तो like उतर जाओ फिर मेरे पास time.
यार
So if they talk like this, how are you
frustrated all the time.
Yeah, well, when you feel
Haan.
if you are behaving this way to me, then naturally I will get irritated. So that rickshaw, that is some people are valid. I also have a lot of fights
Same.
with some rickshaw people because they don't talk properly.
Haan, theek hai. That is valid, but for no reason.
No reason at all is wrong. Like
It's
just
just
because you're from a higher social status, that is wrong. Yeah.
Ha, like the I'm too good for.
Yeah.
These guys need to be spoken like that only. That
Attitude is
not
yeah.
not good.
That is an ick.
From this only, I remembered once I'm adding. I was in a South Bombay college, so my ick is girls who say bhaiya. South Delhi, South Bombay, everyone, whoever, like even if they know the pronunciation, these certain set of girls, they enjoy sounding different
That.
because they feel it gives them some kind of superiority to have accent for these particular words. अरे इधर बड़े हुए हो, accent नहीं आता है यहाँ पे किसी को भी. तो this saying भाया और you know हाँ मैं अच्छे जूते टूट गए इतनी delicate Lara but you know these girls are real.
Yeah.
Lara is a real character. These girls are real. I've met a lot of such girls in my college.
पराते नहीं खाए पैक कर लेना.
They are also some of these people are also sweet and they all talk like that. So but thoda matlab for me as a social circle it's an ick. Like I can't vibe with you that much if you only talk in that tone and with that certain accent.
Yeah.
I think one ick for me is replying to texts very late.
Oh, no.
Yeah. I know I'm the like very late. Like with y'all I don't have, but I don't look forward to your texts, no?
Excuse me.
Yeah.
Let's open our door and
I reply to you all very fast.
Yeah, like I don't Khushi you please. Yeah, but
Do I not reply fast to you?
I don't
If you're doing
like y'all are I don't in my head that much. Like generally work people, even in a partner, if the person replies like really slow, of course they are working, understood, but then you take like 5 hours to reply कि what's like what the entire conversation in a day is less 3 lines, but बात किया है पूरे दिन में सिर्फ 3 lines 5 hours के gap में. So it's a very big ick. Like, you can't make time for me, then don't be with me.
fair.
Fair.
I'm really bad at replying, but
Same.
fair.
Yeah. I have this ick with Khushi. She doesn't pick her phone. She doesn't. No, with me,
Yeah, if you can text it, why are you calling? Your phone I'll pick. If I don't see it, then I won't pick.
phone is always on silent. वो
But otherwise, for other people, I don't pick because just text, na. Why you want to call?
Yeah. I think Khushi still picks. Honey also picks. I think Honey is slow with replying. Khushi is
Honey will straight up ignore you, leave slow with replying. She just won't reply.
Once I sent a long script, which I was very excited about. It was for her work only. She left me a read.
like जब काम आएगा तब मैं
Yeah, I'll tell you. But Honey picks calls really fast. So I prefer calling her. But I'm talking here from a partner point of view.
Prefer calls,
हाँ,
but I have another one. Just piggybacking on what you said.
add.
People that want to do let's do a call.
Yeah.
I know. Text me.
Let's not.
Yeah. Let's get on a call.
Call.
I'm like, no. If there's this thing, na, if what is that? There's a long this thing. Like this meeting could have been an email, and
Yeah.
this email could have been a
WhatsApp message.
yeah. This call could have been a text like that.
That's my point. Like, you don't need to call for every single thing. Just
Yeah.
text.
Yeah.
You'll get a faster response if you text.
And some
I won't pick up.
like I can't speak on text, so I'll do. I'm not a voice note person. I'm a texting person.
If I have a long story, then I'll send voice note.
There is this reel on Instagram where the girl and guy are continuously chatting and he's like calling you in 5. And then she just leaves her phone and she's like, no. And पूरा वो slow mo में ऐसे करती है. You know? Because she's good
वो
with
video
texting.
call के लिए I understand.
हाँ.
Yeah.
Video call का होगा वो. Sorry, we're going off topic.
Okay. Next is done. Yeah.
Is it me?
खुशी से.
I don't know.
ईशा ने कुछ बोला? हाँ,
Okay. Another ick is chewing with your mouth open.
हाँ.
Or
That's
making
mine also.
or making
There
that
on-
smacking sound very loud. I go insane when someone does that. And if there's no other sound and you can only hear that, I focus so much on that sound that I can't eat that.
I used to do that पहले बहुत.
Yeah, and I made it a habit to stop
And
her.
then I started chewing properly. When I was younger, I used to chew full मुंह खोल खोल के.
फिर
गाय की तरह चबाती थी.
Yeah, but I hate that sound.
Yeah, same. I also can't stand it now.
I can't stand it.
Next.
That is my ick.
Yes. I'll add.
She's very happy with her icks. Dingy all day has just been like this.
Giggling, huh? Thinking and
Thinking and giggling.
eggs in everything. Like ramen mein, this is the common thing that me and Kushi share. Whenever you give us yolky,
Runny yolk.
runny yolk, nahi jamta. And people eating eggs around you. Isha, for a protein, wherever she's eating egg in a small room, the smell stays. Even I am sensitive with smells. Egg ka smell,
Isha is always in my room talking to me when her egg time happens because it's after the gym and she has to leave my room and go outside to eat her eggs because she's not allowed
I
to leave my room.
peace with this fact that
Yeah.
I need to go out and eat and come back.
Yeah.
Isme I'm adding one more. Seafood ka bhi smells.
Okay, yeah.
Whenever the seafood smells, like whenever we were having a fish finger at this one restaurant, remember recently, and the fish finger was
Like it should
smelling.
smell like
Of
what it is.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Like if chicken or egg has a chicken or egg smell, then I can't
yeah.
eat it.
I have phases with egg also. Like sometimes I'm eating back to back every day for protein only.
Haan.
I can't stand it other times. When I get the smell or get the
Yeah.
texture or something is off, then I can't.
I think the smell comes maximum with boiled eggs. Yeah, I consume when I'm with you.
Which one do you consume?
Even the machi walis in trains, when we used to go to college, they come with the
yeah,
machi in the train. बेचारों का काम है वो
ये raw है, but
उसका ही smell. But हम लोग भी travel करते
Fish ka smell is very
come in the train. Yeah, like I hold my breath at that time. Like
Yeah, when I'm crossing this road where
Two
there's
stations.
the full machi wala line, I just hold my breath the whole 2 minutes that you're passing. Okay, another ick for me is when sunscreens give you a white cast. Like when you put it and you look like a ghost.
की तरह लगता है.
Horrible.
Whitewash.
Yeah.
I don't think I can relate to this ick of yours because I have been using Aqualogica sunscreen only since
Or
so
does it
long.
give you a white cast?
No,
It
not
does.
at all.
It has a very like dewy this thing. It has SPF 50. Tick.
Wow.
But yeah, that one I think is nice because it's very. It melts into your skin. It doesn't.
That's why always shining in
Shining.
your selfies.
इतना हाँ without makeup whenever एक
You can
sunscreen
see
लगा के
her
she's-
forehead from Mars, I
Thanks.
think.
Thanks, guys.
Yeah.
But another one on top of that is if it's like very greasy. I don't like sunscreens that are
Yeah, that
oily
make you
yeah.
because I can literally like
Yeah.
pat it on my hand,
especially if you
I'm-
have oily skin.
and if you are, I don't have oily skin, but if I'm in the auto, like garmi mein or in the gym, I hate it.
It
Yeah.
gives you like a full sweaty
And you
look.
can like get up a little.
Yeah.
Yeah, that always
Imagine
happens.
Sula, sweaty upper lip alert.
What?
How do you know that?
It's from a movie. It's some reference.
Oh.
That's how I know it.
Yeah, but that
Yeah.
is also an ick. Greasy
Yeah.
sunscreen
Yeah.
is
No.
No.
Imagine working out and getting that white sweat here.
Yeah. especially on guys. If they have that
Beard.
Everything is worse, I think, on guys.
on the beard, white, it like collects over.
It stops na on the beard, so it gets collected.
Your conversations are giving me
Ew,
yuck. Let's move on.
Next.
I have another one. Hair color that looks like thuka hua paan.
Have it.
Especially on guys, like no.
It's like a red burgundy-ish color that
looks
kind
like
of blonde.
the pan ka
Spit stick.
color.
Yeah. Bol pan wala lal.
That color is
Yeah.
just a no.
Since you said guys, I wanted to add clean shave. Like you're a different human when you clean shave completely.
I don't mind.
I don't like it that much.
I am actually thoda opposite in that in terms of
the beard.
full beard.
Yeah.
Not full beard. I like a stubble.
Yeah.
But clean shave is like they just look. Something is off about the person.
Oh my God. I don't mind.
Yeah, actually.
It looks so clean.
Yeah.
It's nothing else on their face. It looks. I feel the person is
I don't mind
looks
either.
different.
But not full. So
I want stubble.
that way too much.
Depends, but for
Depends,
me,
हाँ.
full beard, and on top of that,
Food getting stuck.
I was just going to say that. That's my.
I wanna throw up.
I have noted it, honey. I have noted it. Beard getting stuck on food. I was just going to add up. Beard getting stuck on food. Food getting stuck on beard.
On
Okay, that is.
Oh yeah, I just didn't realize how it dropped that.
just have manners when you're eating food. That's
हाँ
it.
मतलब if you eat अच्छे से नहीं होगा इतना I'm assuming.
Long beard में जब खाना गिरता है ना.
See others.
That is very.
Next is
I also like hate when people don't have basic manners, and it's just like being, yes, especially on flights. I cannot stand it. If one uncle is sitting next to
oh
me,
my God.
and this has happened recently, like an uncle was sitting and it was a 2-hour flight. He has burped non-stop. The word
Yeah, mostly.
burp only is a nick for me.
Yeah.
The word, I can't say it, almost like gagging.
And they're not apologetic about it at all. They're very proud of their behavior.
This is just their personalities.
My God, I have a story. I was on a flight once. Window seat पे I was फिर भी fine. But there was this uncle sitting next to me and his mother sitting next to him. I don't know why he didn't put his mother in the middle. But he was sitting in the middle, taking up both the armrests as usual. I was stuck to the window. And he was sitting like this the whole flight.
Oh God.
And the arm that was close to me was, I'm sorry if you're only listening to it, but arm on his head, I mean. Like this, the whole flight, I was as close to the window as I could be. Like my face was
horrible.
plastered to the window. I wasn't even looking on the other side.
Oh my God. I would
For
sleep.
2 hours. I couldn't do anything.
That's what I mean, like basic manners. And like when you
Yeah.
are around people at least and not in your house, you should be aware of other people and respect other people's space. Like
Like,
don't
how do you think it's okay?
everybody is not your family member ke kaise bhi
Bear
can
करते
behave,
हुए, हाँ.
and you're not in your house. Like that is a very it's not and it also is just disrespectful and disgusting.
Yeah.
And all uncles need to stop behaving like
Yes,
this.
Yeah. I think burp sounds I've gotten a little used to now.
Like I can't
Like, yeah, not
I can't.
my own, but around, I've gotten desensitized to it. It was an ick pehle, but abhi it's just like because there's everyone. You are around older people. All of them, I think, are very
I can't.
unapologetic about their burp. They're just there on your face. Yeah, sometimes you can hear your neighbors' burps also.
Exactly.
The houses are too close.
Who's burping that loudly?
There are here who do.
Really?
My God.
I've never been happier to live far away from
घर भी वो पास में है ना वो तो उधर you can hear बहुत anybody अभी
हाँ,
नहीं है बाजू में but
हाँ.
yeah I know the neighbor burp wala thing. I think one ick for me is friends not liking your photos. Arey,
Oh,
yeah, like what
I've never thought about that.
yeah, like when I thought about it, I'm like, the whole world is liking my photos. But why are my friends not liking my photos?
That is very true, actually.
Yeah. You know, it's said that
yeah.
like when you start a business also, your closest people don't support you, but strangers support you. Never happy for people. Yeah. So I think that's the biggest ick. When I started noticing it, I'm like, okay, why is this happening? Yeah.
It's secret language to
Yes.
show
Yeah,
that I
yeah.
don't support.
Yeah. However, but I don't know. It's a very big ick for me. I've realized this lately.
Yeah.
You know, but this has happened with me also. Two scenarios. One time is when I noticed that they're engaging with other people.
That's exactly what.
And when हमारे इस पे ही नहीं कर रहे हैं, and other they will support anyone and everyone who they don't know,
Yeah.
but they will not support you. And other is when you have some people are just not social media people, like you know that they also don't post that much, they also don't scroll, so that time there is an understanding. But the other kind of people really piss you
Those
off.
are obvious ones. Like you also know
So
कि
they
this
don't
friend doesn't use only social
हाँ,
media that
that
much. For them, it's not.
but still make that effort for you. That is really
Yeah.
like, you know, this is your work, and by just engaging on it, I can support you.
Yeah. Loudly supporting your friends is in.
Yeah, it's needed. Like scream that I love my friend. You're doing the best work ever. Put story.
Like if not scream, but just like is
yeah, that is the bare
minimum.
yeah that you can expect.
Actually, that's a very good one. I've never thought about that, but it is an
You can reflect.
yeah.
अरे
Imagine I'm in my likes, then seeing which are my friends. Like
yeah.
अभी आज जाएंगे हम लोग. We'll go through that. If you all have not liked, go and like.
another random Instagram related ick is anyone who has their height in their bio.
Oh my
Have you all seen guys who have their height in their bio? Why? For what joy? Or something weird like their birthday or you know, all that.
wish me on. Walked the earth first time on.
Yeah, all that is very upbeat. I don't know if people are doing that, but height in their bio.
Is very okay. One more ick about boys is who say dude a lot, and this bhai that they do with all their guy friends.
I think that's me.
That is okay, but just dude, saying dude all the time is a very big ick that I have. Like I can't listen to boys keep
Saying same
that
thing.
same word again and again to everyone.
I think one for me is this is a personal preference, but I can't deal with someone that has a very loud personality.
You can't deal with me, you say?
A little bit. No, but he is
But you're not an obnoxious
You're-
personality.
you're loud volume wise,
Not personality.
but not
wise.
personality wise. Like,
I know what you're talking about.
like somebody that's in your face ऐसा तो मुझे थोड़ा
Someone that's
Yeah.
like 224/7.
हाँ that I can't. I'm like थोड़ा inject them or something.
yeah, best.
Calm down.
Tranquilizer दे दो थोड़ा सा.
मुझे
Yeah.
कुछ याद आ गया.
Or someone like, you know, when you're talking and you feel like they'll eat you.
Yeah.
Like,
Honey.
I can't.
Because you're I get it because
I'm
even
not-
I'm thoda shant as a
But that's
person.
saying
and
it's a
someone.
personal preference because my personality is not like that. And I can meet them and greet them, but I can't be around them for very long. Like I feel tired. They are not feeling tired, but
It's
I
training to be around such
yeah.
people. Like you have to match.
Match them.
Yeah.
that and because I feel like I also have to match that energy.
Yeah.
And वो नहीं है मेरे अंदर. So like this happens a lot of times when I travel, like if I'm going on a brand trip or something and I meet other creators, and generally people outside are like girls are very
Excited.
high energy and oh my god, you look so pretty and like itna like I feel like I also have to reciprocate then, and that drains me because I'm like I don't have this energy inside me.
I get what you're saying. This is a common ick, I think.
Yeah. I saw one of Hrithik Roshan's interviews. I saw Main Prem Ki Diwani, who he said, he's like, have you seen that movie? Have you seen my character? He's like, I am not that person. So to be on that set and be that guy all the time, like, Auntie, I was not that. I was not. Yeah, I don't know how he did it. It was annoying.
He also said, he's like, I don't know why I did it. I shouldn't have because there's some things that you just can't be.
Can't be like, even as an actor, you're like, you can't
Do that.
be that guy
Yeah.
the whole time. Like Ranveer Singh could have done that. But maybe because that's his personality.
Personality, yeah.
Just that much every day, I feel like.
I'll go. One ick that I have is doesn't taste food or order for themselves only because they have to split the bill. Oh, yeah. I've had such friends in the past.
Taste.
Your
Like
food,
if you're ordering something they won't eat just so that they don't have to pay their split.
Pressure. Yeah, so it's a very big ick because you know why the person is not ordering, or you know why the
Like
person is.
they're doing it to save money, ठीक है.
हाँ, but this is like an every time personality.
They are doing it out of being chindi, then
Yeah, that is the word. You
saving
know where
money,
they
I
are. Yeah.
understand.
You know where your friends how they think.
Which thoda time you spend with people, so you understand.
Yeah.
Because with saving money, I have done this a lot. I will not touch somebody's
Even I have done it.
to split the cost.
Okay.
This is, I think,
Like
valid.
saving money.
Yeah. Saving money is not the thing here, but you know that person.
यार ऐसा चिंदी हर एक इसका
Like when you spend time, especially in college days, you spend time with someone, you know
you
their
understand.
mentality, you know how they think.
Yeah.
फिर ऐसे लोगों के साथ तो you don't even feel like offering them.
Yeah. Like these kind of people are very calculative. You know that they come from good privileged families and they have the amenities.
Yeah.
Still, they will be very
हाँ.
हिसाब वाला.
And even while paying the bill, they're like, लेकिन मैंने तो इतना ही किया, मैंने तो उतना ही पिया, you know, वो वाला.
Yeah.
That is annoying.
Very
If
annoying.
saving, then well and good.
Yeah.
There is one more. Road rage that me and Kushi face. Autos mein when we are sitting and there are loud beep sounds, horns, gaadi ka everything, that is not an physically I can't be in that environment. Matlab it makes me really anxious. So
I thought you meant the other way. Like
I thought you meant
somebody has road.
हाँ, even the rickshaw wala drivers fighting, वो सब भी is a
I have that in a guy. Like if a
हाँ.
guy say God, you've seen that video. बाहर निकल guy. एक video है.
I have seen it.
Embarrassment.
Yeah.
I
very
would
embarrassing.
never want to be with somebody like that in the car. Like I will only get down and be like, so sorry, I need to go.
Another guy thing like that is if you're in a club or something and like something happens and the guy's first reaction is to pick a fight. I hate those kind of people. Like
I
who
don't
are waiting on you to go punch someone even though you don't have it in you.
Very nice ick, yeah.
Yeah, bhai. Yeah.
Yeah, the one you start now, all that I hate it so.
By mistake हाथ लगा यार, ठीक है.
These are those typical one type के boy who wear those tight t-shirts with body.
Yeah.
With like a name brand logo on the front and they're just waiting. Go and just pick a fight.
हाँ.
Even people like as a boyfriend, I wouldn't want similarly like picking a fight, but these people are like protective के नाम पे they pick a fight.
Yeah.
Like if somebody's dancing and then पीछे से some guy बेचारे का he might not even see पीछे and उसका धक्का लगे धक्का कैसे मारा like वैसा type का. If they think everybody is trying to
Hit on the girl.
hit on their girl or चढ़ो attack whatever, that extra
Yeah.
protective पागल जैसा है.
Yeah. Coming to guys, one thing is when they boast a lot. Like when you meet someone and अभी वो मेरी वो Mercedes है ना, वो लेकर आ जाना, no something like that, तो समझ में आ जाता है.
That's a turn off.
Yeah, like समझ में आ जाता है कि that person is doing it purposely to make you hear कि मेरे पास Mercedes है.
They think they're being very crafty about it. Like crafting it in a message so evident and being very subtle.
हाँ, like you know, अरे वो तीसरी गाड़ी, हाँ ठीक है, आ जाता हूँ, हाँ. और ना फिर बात करने के time you understand, you know, कि ना कह रही it's okay यार.
Yeah.
That's a very big turn off, whatever.
Yeah, agreed.
When the guy decides to meet near his house only, like
Isha so specific.
so real, yeah, like we can meet in the middle, but मेरे like so that उसको convenient हो जाए, हम यहाँ पर पूरा taxi वैक्सी book करके जाए.
Friends भी है.
हाँ,
Yeah. Will only make plans around their house. There's a new restaurant opened around their house only. मेरे घर के वहाँ पे कोई खुला नहीं.
और कम यहाँ पर सब आ जाओ, यहाँ पर मिल रहे हैं, तो that is also like equal effort होना चाहिए, beat friendship और beat
Relationship.
yeah.
Plans अपने घर के पास मत बनाओ.
Yeah. Like I don't have this personally. मैंने ऐसा देखा.
हाँ. अक्सर किसकी direct. No. She doesn't want to be in trouble.
I think another one is Raja Beta.
You mean Mama's
Raja
boy?
Beta, stay Raja Beta.
Yeah.
You have to be beta.
हाँ.
Like
Not
be
as
normal.
Raja Beta.
Yeah. If
Yeah.
I feel like your mom is still coddling you as a grown up,
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah.
Yeah.
you have
There's
to
a
stay
very
there.
line.
You have to stay there only then. Yeah.
The एकदम कि हर चीज के लिए मम्मी चाहिए kind of
हाँ.
voice.
Yeah.
Dating में हाँ कि खुद का एक काम करने चोर करने नहीं आता है. That is a big.
Not even just calm, like ऐसे भी like
Yeah.
everything is ऐसा very mama
हाँ.
thing तो
Yeah.
If you feel like, and you can sense it, like if something feels weird.
Yeah.
I don't-
You don't know. I exactly know what you're talking about.
Yeah, I get the feeling.
like if ऐसा है, then nobody wants to be in that.
Situation.
Yeah.
Somebody wants to date a Raja. Yeah.
Mm.
One very big ick, like it's a general ick, is that playing victim all the time.
Ah.
And one line that I don't like, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा क्यों होता है?
Yeah.
You know, and even I say it, but not every time when something wrong happens, you know. तो it's like very, मेरे को self loathing होता है ना, वो मुझे बिल्कुल नहीं पसंद. It's too annoying.
Which is, I think it's annoying after a point to be around
Such people.
people like that, because they're like, मेरे साथ
Because you
ही
don't
ये
know what
हुआ है."
advice to give also.
Yeah.
क्यों मैं ही
They don't want to hear the advice. That's
हाँ.
the thing. They just want to complain and then complain
Not
again.
thinking about it.
हाँ.
Yeah.
That is that whole loop की those kind of people ना, it's like जब वो चालू ही कर देते थे, I'm like अरे भागो. हाँ. तो वैसा. It's a whole cycle. हाँ.
हाँ, because you listen, then you give advice, then you see that they're not doing anything with that advice, then you understand कि हाँ ठीक है, they want to vent भी हो गया, उसके बाद भी
हाँ.
same thing.
And then one thing, मेरे साथ ही ऐसा भगवान से था. चले अरे हमारे साथ भी गलत होता है, but हम ऐसा नहीं करते हमेशा.
I have a very, very random ick. If you're playing table tennis,
Wow.
very random. If you're playing
Specific.
table tennis and the ball falls, and the person is just not able to catch it, like they're running around the
That's me.
running around the whole room aisa, and they're not able to like fucking catch the ball. It's not that difficult.
हाँ, the ball keeps going far.
Yeah, and you're just aisa झुक के running in the whole room.
टेबल टेनिस से वो भी होता है ना, वो कुछ लोग बॉल से फिर से मारते टू गेट इट.
हाँ, and they're not
That
able
is
to
also
catch on it.
Yeah.
Especially if you're a guy, like catch it.
Yeah. Good observation.
So much pressure.
खुशी थोड़ा
Play table
प्रैक्टिस लगेगा तेरे साथ खेलने के लिए, but I'll make up. See,
But-
I was playing once. I gave up because I could see खुशी.
Like I get
Good
angry.
ball. क्या कर रही है? She was getting angry. She was waiting. I was like, next the pressure. I was learning. अभी. I was like, I can't learn खुशी.
Very specific thought
Yeah.
that came to me.
One I have, which is common with mummy. Mummy also said people who walk slowly. Me and my mom walk really fast.
Yeah.
ऐसा fast कि people get irritated at us. हम लोग निकल जाते हैं
Agree.
कहीं से. Sometimes I have to slow myself down because I'm really fast. But I can't when people, if they're old, unless they're old or physically disabled or something like that, it is okay.
No, but if you're old, then you should have the courtesy to walk to the side.
Side.
Also. There's some people who will just जानबूझ के walk बीच में. Like you know you're slow. Then walk ना to the side से.
That is a very big एक कि धीरे धीरे मत चलो around. मुझे बहुत घाई होती है. I'm not a calm person. Lines में भी, and there's a long line. That is also my ick. Like I can't possibly wait to reach the counter. One makeup related ick I have is when you talk on the phone and your makeup gets transferred on the screen. Like it's a very big ick. And one thing, one day I gave my phone to someone to speak, and when the phone person gave me my phone back, there was sweat on my phone screen. And I'm like, okay, ठीक है, वो बेचारा धूप में काम कर रहा था यार, अभी क्या कर सकते हैं. But that's a very big ick for me. Makeup transferring on phone and the sweat.
I have to talk only on speaker or like my phone
Even
is
I
far
have
away from my face,
face.
so it doesn't happen to me.
Yeah.
Yeah.
After experiencing acne, you automatically
Yeah, you used to automatically start talking with your phone far away.
The dermat बोलने के बाद ही
हाँ, dermat ने ही बोला था मेरे को
like
भी.
this. अब भी थोड़ा distance रखना पड़ रहा है.
One for me in a partner is if they are not down to watch trash TV.
हाँ, you are.
Like
Yeah.
if they think they're too cool for it, and like once in a while it's fine.
I think it's a requirement.
It has to be there.
Like
You have
requirement for her.
get involved in what, and if in general also if they don't watch TV, then though it's gone.
Yeah. हाँ. Honey is those ये क्या कहते हैं shows की queen है वो. उसके साथ टीवी नहीं देखा तो
उसको देखना ही है हर रात पाना पड़ेगा.
How will you
It's
spend
part-
time
How will you
with
fall
the boy?
asleep?
Yeah.
If you can't watch TV.
If that's an ick for someone, then I can't be with them.
I think Isha and Honey can't be with each other.
Yeah, because she needs TV to fall asleep and Isha needs
Pin drop silence.
you can't even breathe in Isha's
Yeah.
presence.
You can't breathe. You can't take one word. बहुत mastery हो गया है.
So I sometimes when she's sleeping with me, I don't go to the washroom at night because I like just leave it. I don't want to have the stress of waking Isha up because I'm such a good roommate that I never wake her up.
Gets the tag of being the best roommate. Isha sleeps with me. She has complaints. Kushi, you also sleep with me. Am I that noisy?
I don't really care because I also sleep very well. But my complaint with you is that you are here
हाँ.
when you're sleeping with someone. Like
Yeah,
you
she's
just turn and roll
close
and come so close. I pushed her many times and woken her up and I like go that side.
I have, I think, when we were very small, I've hit her also.
Yeah.
I've slapped her.
Because Dingy had a phase where she used to kick in her sleep.
हाँ, I think.
And
She
her
has,
leg
her
has
leg has come on my stomach and I have got this in
Isha
shock
उल्टा सोती थी ऐसे and she has kicked my face.
and I've slapped her.
ईशा उल्टा सोती थी. मैं उल्टा सोती थी. Yes, I remember. Yeah.
She's very violent in her sleep.
One ick is when a partner talks about their ex a lot. Like that is a red flag. Biggest red flag in the sense they try and refer to saying that वो तो ऐसा करता था या ऐसा करती थी और उसने ऐसा compare करके comparison or even to the partner sometimes you speak ना कि you know उसने ऐसा किया था. You don't have to bring it up all the time. Like your ex is your ex.
I have an ick specifically for Dingy.
I know what you're going to say.
My ick for her is dirty feet. Dirty feet everywhere. On the bed, on the sofa, randomly walking in the house. I can't tolerate it.
खुशी's feet are तो extra दिन कि एक धूल का दिस भी मुझे नहीं दिखेगा. I ask her, you don't put your feet down on the floor क्या? Because इतना
She
clean.
floats.
Yeah,
I float in the house.
इतना clean is not possible. Basic धूल थोड़ा तो लगता है if you.
I wear chappal in the house.
But चप्पल के साथ भी basic धूल is there.
My feet are
Skin doesn't
always very
absorb it.
clean.
Absorb उसके इस पे लगता ही नहीं है.
I have
Yeah.
baby feet.
Yeah, her feet तो are.
You sound like you have a fetish or something.
She always tells them that I have her.
But yeah, I don't like it when anyone in general has dirty feet and they sit on the bed. Because my bed के साथ I'm very particular. You need to be clean.
This is पे I had written footprints in the washroom. If
yeah.
there are footprints in the washroom, गीले floor का and dirty leg का, that is my ick. I तो clean my feet. My feet is
Gila
dirty.
washroom is only
And leg. And
Yeah.
उसमें अगर गलती से चलो हो गया, उसमें if there is a footprint, that is a very like I can't possibly pee or do anything in that. I skip washrooms for these reasons. कहीं publicly if I see something like this,
yeah.
because it is very. Even guys who say like, you know what, like, and I went there like, and this
I
happened.
think that in general, like,
I think a lot of people do that.
yeah,
But
a lot of people do that.
Like,
we also probably must
we also must
saying
be
it.
doing it, but there are some people जो बहुत like use करते हैं fillers, huh?
Yeah.
Like,
Or use any particular filler a lot.
are you coming like? Are you this like? Who are these people you're
Are
talking
you
to?
coming like?
नहीं मतलब but इतना आदत हो जाता है ना, are you coming like there? अच्छा तो we'll go for something like pizza and all, like, you know, something like you. I might not be telling it rightly, but this is how they use it.
But yeah, valid.
I have one more. This was during school also, but school में हम लोग को भी होता था lice in our hair. But train and all में travel करते वक्त, when somebody in front of you has lice walking or something walking, I've seen this in ladies' duppa. It is the worst thing because you got so many years to get rid of it. School में, I think we were in a girls' school and it was
Horrible.
unavoidable. like क्या?
Avoidable.
It was unavoidable to have lice in your hair when you were in a girls' school. It was just there. था हम लोगों को भी कुछ नहीं कर सकते.
But in a train, like when we've grown up, I've never seen.
I have seen in ladies' dabba. Some ladies have it on their hair and then you just have to
Or when someone just stands with open hair and it's all on your
all
face.
in your face. Yeah, train में तो there are one
Train can be a whole episode of X because it's just horrible.
The ladies' dabba has a lot of stories to tell.
Yeah.
Aunties pushing you, pulling your hair is also an ick. Too many things. Ick क्या their physical discomfort.
Yeah.
I think
Mine is biting nails and just leaving.
Leaving it and throwing nails around.
Isha does that.
I'm a serial nail biter. But that is the reason I got extensions done. So no longer. I have an ick for honey. People who use who use their phone when you're talking to them.
Oh yeah,
I had a ick with her. Written in bold.
Yeah.
I can't tolerate it.
Yeah.
I will not talk to you.
I stopped saying my story.
हाँ कि phone क्यों use कर?
I need you to have interest.
But I still like listen.
She listens. ये नहीं है कि वो नहीं सुनती है. But there has to be a phone on the background.
Literally, this happened.
I have some yesterday. Isha told her this yesterday when she was saying a story and she was on phone. I already knew the story. So Isha's like, can you please give me eye contact?
Like you need that.
Then I kept then she kept her
She
phone.
does it for serious things. If you're telling an issue or something, then she looks. But if you're telling a general anecdote, her phone is there.
Yeah.
Aise she does.
And this happens like, I don't know, for some weird reason, I have to have two things
Doing
happening at
together.
the same. This
Remember
is-
when you're watching
what is that called?
Attention span
AD stimulation. Like
you need
some-
to be
there's some-
stimulated. Visual stimulation.
yeah, like if I feel like I'm watching something at the same time,
What, yaar? You need stimulated.
visually. Like if I'm watching something, then I'll play a game also on the side.
Yeah.
Like it's not
You
required.
do that. And you watch a show and you play that.
And I play a game on the side also. So I don't know why I need, sometimes if I'm talking also to somebody and uske pehle I might just be sitting like this doing nothing. But if I'm doing something, then I need to do something on the side also.
And I am completely opposite. मुझे दूसरा काम मैं कर ही नहीं सकती हूँ.
One ick. It's not an ick. I don't know what it is. But something that I only do, which I don't like, is I open Instagram like a second,
And
like
get time.
second to breathing. Is my habit of just like
Picking up your phone,
I'll just
doing it. Yeah.
Instagram just opens.
wins out of nowhere.
You've seen that reel where somebody has to call for help and you just open your phone and the default is to go to Instagram.
Instagram, yeah.
And I forget whatever I have to do. Like I open it for something, and the weird part for us is that we have to open Instagram. So if I have to open something to find an audio or do anything, I forget what I'm doing and I start scrolling there.
Yeah. This is a very,
I
the
don't
most
like
relatable ache today for me is this one.
Yeah. That's mine.
Like कुछ
my
भी हो जाए मुझे किसी को urgently number भेजना है अपने आप Instagram कहाँ से खुल रहा है यार. Then I'm like
One randomly had to do something else.
हाँ.
Yeah, it's so weird.
I keep placing the app इधर उधर so that my finger doesn't go on that and gets used to that. और सब करते हैं.
मेरा
I
तो
keep changing
It's the
placement.
first, I've kept it only conveniently where my thumb is there.
No,
like,
if you want to
swipe
feel
that
that
thing.
now opening it subconsciously ऐसा keep changing. मैंने कहीं पढ़ा ही था कि keep changing the placement of the app. Don't keep it in one place. And जब बहुत importantly ढूंढना पड़ेगा तब मतलब keep it you can type Instagram में आ जाता है phone पे. But ऐसा नहीं करने के लिए ना placement change करते रहो. Then time कम हो जाता है.
Another very random one of mine is when you wear an outfit and you can see the underwear ka line.
It's called something, na?
I don't think so.
Yeah, it has a word. And you can see. Is it talking about the see-through ones or
Just
very line?
anything you wear, like a dress or anything. But your underwear ka thing is seen. That
Yeah, I think that's
I feel like it just ruined the outfit like that.
Yeah.
visually ऐसा एक कुछ आ गया. It's not a smooth. This.
Yeah.
It feels
Very personal ick that is.
Yeah, it's like every time I see someone's outfit, I don't know why. That's also one thing I will notice.
I see that a lot in my gym.
Even that, like in gym wear also.
Yeah.
If it's seen, it's this thing for me.
Yeah.
And seamless is not that comfy.
Also, people who like
We've unlocked something. We've unlocked something.
people who like have bad cuffs. And when they do that,
That I hate in general when people are in the morning.
phlegm and then they spit it out and I'm like yeah, thoda to I know you're trying to like get it all out but thoda to decency maintain. Like I'll go to the bathroom मैं गाना लगा दूंगी and ये सब करूंगी and then I will do it so that the आवाज doesn't go
I
out.
think something similar to that is
Gargling.
gargling. Like I don't need to. You have to lock yourself somewhere. And
Yeah, people are unnecessarily loud in the morning.
Yeah.
like
all
put
this.
the tap on, do something, put music on, whatever.
Yeah.
But that I feel is a Indian dad thing. इससे अलावा I have not noticed it. As
All these things that you're saying.
You live with it.
My icks have come also from there. Same, abhi tak no, matlab you don't get used to something. You shouldn't get used to something. Yeah. I think you should get used to
Sometimes
it.
I can't put
So
up
you
with it.
don't replicate it. When you're getting older, I think सबका थोड़ा छूट जाता है. अब भी हम लोग में बहुत ये वो. As you keep getting older,
I don't think when I'm older also these things are going to be okay with me.
It shouldn't.
No,
But
it's
some
not going to go.
I hope we can change things
that.
and not be like the
Some
old people now.
get a little loose is what I've seen in parents. Like some things that they used to be careful about when they're younger, No longer.
No, I genuinely believe like our generation,
Will change.
the men
Yeah.
in our generation will change that.
Yeah.
I'm hoping
Yeah.
they're not going to
Be like that.
burp on flights and make people uncomfortable around them. Because automatically, I don't know, it changed in, I'm hoping.
Yeah. It comes very, you have to make a conscious effort. Ki I'm not going to be like my parents or anybody who I see around. That's when the change comes.
But you know, I've noticed this, that the more you try really hard to avoid one thing, na, उससे उतना ही that thing keeps following you. मतलब if you ऐसा होता है ना कि you become what you hate, kind of, that is
Like I said, you need to fear some things. The what you fear, वो क्या था?
sometimes you become what you hate.
You attract
what you say.
Fear.
नहीं you हाँ that day we were doing ना ये वाला याद नहीं आ रहा.
That video that someone said, I'm scared of money.
Money.
I'm scared of a long-term relationship.
You attract what you fear. The line.
Yeah, I think so.
Constantly in your head, na, with
Like you're manifesting it in some way.
And it said that the frequency of fear in the universe
Is
you
more.
give out like a very high frequency when you're scared than the frequency of what you love or what you're comfortable with. That is the reason. पता ना बोलते थे कि मैं इसी से दूर भाग रही तो यही दिख गई.
हाँ.
तो यही हो जाता है हमेशा. It's actually
So the more you try running away from certain things, na, the more those things follow you.
yeah.
Like you pray that there's never a kid sitting next to you on a flight, but then there's always a crying baby near you.
Yeah.
Like,
I was talking about this.
that's, I think, I'm
Yeah.
manifesting.
कहाँ
very
एक
recent.
से हम
कहाँ पे
manifestations.
But I think we had a lot of things.
School के time पे when people used to get Maggie in tiffins and that Maggie used to take tiffin का that shape.
Oh, man.
A lot of people like
Wow. You have an egg with the box or the Maggie or the
the
Maggie mold.
the person who's eating cold Maggie जिसको
जो
shape हो
box shape हो गया है.
जम गया है डब्बे में.
हाँ.
Yeah, I've told my mom हमेशा स्कूल के टाइम में never give me Maggie. ऐसा वो डब्बे का शेप लेके
And ठंडा हो
ठंडा
जाता
हो जाता है.
and
It's full solid.
when you open the condensation that is formed, वो vessels में भी I have a problem when
Oh, yeah.
serving food and garam इसमें the condensation that forms, it's an egg, but it's there. You can't help it.
Even when you reheat your dal and it has that
My egg is the malai that,
malai.
not the malai, but whatever it is.
Here that
Fun food.
yeah,
Or malai. Actually malai.
in milk.
Yeah.
Like I remember
very
mummy used to give me milk and I'm like, ये malai निकाल के दो. So she used to very nicely take the spoon, remove the malai and have it.
Have it.
And that was I was like super human है ये.
I used to cry for this one ही बचपन में.
हाँ.
Malai वाला दूध.
Doodh.
Oh God.
You have it.
I don't have any food thing I can think of.
You have no food.
But I have another one. Not related to food. related to people. But I don't like, I think this is not even an ick, it's a turn off only. Like I can't be friends with that person. But if they are an auntie, like I don't mean auntie age wise, but auntie personality wise. Like you know how aunties are very ऐसा
Very like जकले
like
बहुत है.
seeing you up and down, what you're bearing, and एकदम वैसा questions भी उनका वैसा ही है, thinking भी उनका वैसा ही, like
yeah.
maybe they've grown up with
हाँ. Such
aunties.
people. हाँ.
So they don't get out of the, like they are not age appropriate.
Yeah, I know what she's saying. It's like they look at you from top to bottom.
It's a emotion.
हाँ.
It's not a age thing.
Thing.
Like they are inherently वैसा
हाँ.
कि ऐसा नहीं करना चाहिए. तो तूने ऐसे सोच लिया है.
Like who ask you questions just for the gossip of it, not to really
Like
your
they don't actually care about.
your answer.
Yeah, they are not
Oh, yeah.
asking you because they are invested in your well-being. They are asking you out of
Gossip.
yeah.
And when you talk to them, they're noticing your earring,
Oh my God.
Well,
Yeah.
your nail paint color, everything while you're talking. ऐसा very subtle.
Yeah.
Yeah, they are okay.
Or go open Instagram घर जाके and see the picture. But उधर ही they will see everything.
Very
Yeah.
And that I find.
And they also ask me, ये कहाँ से लिया? You know that.
And you know it's not out of, oh, you're looking nice. Where
where
is
did you
it
get
from?
those earrings
It's
from?
from कि मुझे भी चाहिए. Where is this? ये
Hmm.
कहाँ से ऐसा है?
हाँ.
ये कौन सा लिपस्टिक है? Like वैसा. It's not like wow, what lipstick?
Replies, yeah.
हाँ, the energy
You can very clearly understand the difference if someone's asking out of, oh, where are your earrings from? Or the other,
कहाँ से है कान का? मेरे पास नहीं है ऐसा.
अरे full theater आ गया.
ये वो कहाँ पे है?
So that I think it's a very off characteristic.
Behavior.
Yeah.
in people.
This is one ick. I think Isha also has grown up in the same house, so she's also going to have this ick. But it is earlier fridges didn't have freezers didn't have compartments. So fish के साथ when you store anything else, even if the fish is covered, the whole section smells of fish. The odor is very strong. उसके साथ whatever you store, I can never eat it. Even if it is the tastiest thing in the world and I'm a big foodie, I can't eat it. I get this.
Yeah, that's a very specific to your house ick
Ick.
because I have felt that ick in the house.
Yeah. Like mummy used to tell that just wash it and have it. Na big deal. I mean, no, I can't wash it.
Can't have
You know what was there with the fish? The Pepsi Cola.
I was gonna say that.
Yeah.
Very icky.
This is my favorite thing in the world. How to take it and like chuso it with
Yeah.
fish in
That's an ick.
fudge
Like
पे.
it's giving
Some
again.
words are just
Yeah.
Chuso.
yuck. Get out.
But yeah, I remember having that ick in your house.
Another smell related one is mehndi for me.
I also don't know.
I know a lot of people love mehndi, but I cannot.
Even I don't like it.
People that put mehndi on their hair and just sit. पहले करते थे ना mummy, nani, everybody. There's once it happened in my boarding school where my teacher, like my dorm teacher, put mehndi on her hair and she sat on my bed. And मेरे bed पे मेहंदी लग गया उनका. And after she left, I changed my bed. And I had to convince, because we had a double bed, I had to convince my bed partner also कि we have to change our full bed. She's like, are you insane? And I said, yes. And हमने वो पूरा घसीट के railing, पूरा उसका mattress से bedding सब change किया है मैंने. It's
Damn.
so even putting mehendi on the hands and all, I'm not a fan of,
Even I don't really like it.
because I don't like the smell of it.
Same. I think
I think that's all our
we did a
icks.
lot of exciting.
Yeah, it's not just, I feel like हम लोग pet peeves and disgust and turn-offs
It's
and
hard.
Mix of everything.
everything, yeah.
So that
I think everybody should write their top 3 icks in the comments and tell us.
yeah.
Yeah.
And if you relate to anything that we've said.
Which is your
Specific icks, then say that also. Because I like
I like the
knowing other
specific ones.
people's.
yeah.
Yeah, I feel like we'll do another part of this sometime in the future with like more specific ones with
Yeah.
months of observation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Because I like, even I like the specific,
Very specific.
yeah,
ones.
which might seem like nonsense, but
That's the fun.
But just
We'll vibe with it,
Yeah.
like anything. Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. This is
so we'll love, like, if you have any top 3 as of now, write them down in the comments and we would love to read them. But those were our icks, pet peeves, turn-offs,
deal
etc.,
breakers.
etc.
Yes.
Yeah, just like mixed genre of
Oh.
things and not just like relationship centric, but a mix of everything. And I think it was fun.
Yeah.
I loved it. Yeah.
मजा आया? बड़ा हल्का फील हो रहा है
So that was it.
Yeah.
We will see you in the next episode. Bye.